Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best vegetable peeler. So let's get started. Number 7. Spiralizer Plus Attachment. If you keep a KitchenAid stand mixer within reach, this makes a great vegetable peeler. The attachment plugs into the power hub on the front of the mixer and makes peeling a variety of vegetables as easy as flipping a knob. You slide your produce onto the attachment skewer mount and then insert the peeler blade and align it with the food. It peels your potato, zucchini, cucumber, and more quickly and with little waste. This attachment is handy if you are prepping, say, a whole pie's worth of apples. And it's also helpful for those who have trouble using standard peelers. It works with produce up to 5.5 inches in length. So long veggies will need to be trimmed. Bonus. It can also be used as a corer, slicer and spiralizer. So there's a little extra incentive to leave it set up. Number 6. Good Grips Corn Prep Peeler. We don't often recommend single-use tools, but this one proved to be worth it. Corn, with its rounded shape and separate kernels, can be cut with a knife, but can be dangerous and wobbly to stand the ear upright, and traditional peelers are often too shallow, which means you sacrifice the sweet kernels. But this peeler makes taking corn off the cob a pleasure. The curved design allows you to maintain contact with the cob, so you don't damage the kernels, and leaves you with a very smooth cob. Plus you can work with the ear on a flat surface, which keeps the task safe. The blade is Japanese stainless steel, so it won't rust and is dishwasher safe. And OXO, well known for its ergonomic design, maintains its record with the non-slip handle. The Corn Prep Peeler is part of a collection of other specialized vegetable peelers from OXO, including an assorted set that tested well all around, a large peeler that proved useful for cabbage, and more. Number 5. PalmPeeler Vegetable Peeler. This reimagined peeler was comfortable in the palm. It has a finger holder to help keep it in place, and performed well with a variety of fruits and veggies. It's a great choice if you have arthritis or dexterity limitations. It also keeps fingers away from the stainless steel blading. You have younger kids helping with pre-pone caveat. The peeler can clog with the peeled strips and you can't immediately see that due to the design, so you will sometimes have a misfire when attempting to peel a new strip. It comes with a cap for safe storage and is dishwasher safe. Number 4. Magnetic Tri-Peeler. Both the straight and serrated Y peelers from Tovolo handled our produce tests with ease. They're sharp stainless steel and swivel to handle corners and curves, so why not buy them as part of this set of 3, which includes a Julienne peeler to round out common vegetable prep tasks. The lightweight trio is comfortable and dishwasher safe, and they're magnetic to stay stacked for compact and easy access. One caveat: none of the peelers has an eye, which can be a detriment for potatoes and apples, but for vegetables like carrots, cucumbers and zucchini it's a versatile set that gets you peeled and sliced lickety-split. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Swivel Peeler. The OXO Good Grip Swivel Peeler has swiveling twin blades so lefties and righties can peel in either direction, plus the blades flex so they bend to cut larger swaths of peel than a rigid blade would. It has an oversized non-slip silicone grip for great hold even with repetitive strokes. Why is this important? It means the peeler stays in your hands even when wet or you're peeling under running water, minimizing the risk of it slipping. There is also a built-in potato eye remover that lets you dig out blemishes without switching to a knife or ruining the produce. Customers gave this dishwasher safe peeler points for how smoothly it peels and the thin long strips it produces. A few note that the blade is very sharp. How verso handle with care. Number 2. Kuhn Rikon Original Swiss Peeler. Like a swivel peeler, this Y-shaped peeler can be used with the left or right hand. An advantage of a Y peeler is for mass peeling, especially when your hand may become uncomfortable from a standard peeler. The Kuhn Rikon Original Swiss Peeler is beloved by professional chefs for its durability, lightness, sharpness and consistency. Reek time equals 1s greater than like a swivel peeler. It has an integrated potato eye remover, so there's no need to swap out for a knife. It's equipped with a sharp carbon steel blade that cuts better than most other peelers, and stays sharp. However, the peeler is not dishwasher safe. Number 1. Vremi 3-in-1 Julienne. If your kitchen space is tight or you are looking for an all-purpose, lightweight kitchen appliance, the Vremi 3-in-1 Julienne vegetable peeler is for you. Rather than buy a peeler, mandoline, and a Julienne zester separately, this BPA-free peeler combines all these into one handy, compact appliance without taking up extra space in your drawers. It is a multi-functional, 3-swivel rotating blade peeler for cutting, peeling, shredding, and slicing fruits or vegetables. There are 3 stainless steel blades, a straight blade to remove skins, a Julienne zester to create garnishes, and a serrated blade to peel softer skins. No need to swap out the blades. The wheels on the sides of the peeler make it simple to choose the blade you want. Reviewers are largely happy with the performance of all 3 of the blades, saying each is sharp and operates smoothly.